Today we're talking to one of the finest lawyers in New York City of J. Murray Law Firm. Joe was once a member of New York's finest, the NYPD. While on the job, he was indicted for a felony. And then once he was able to clear his name, he became an attorney. I thought Joe was the perfect person to talk to today to walk us through what the next few days and weeks are going to look like for this case. Joe, welcome to Naja News. How you doing today?
Thank you, Naja. Always a pleasure.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Joe, just looking into it, when you and I were talking off camera, now she has not yet been indicted, and I kind of want you to teach us what's happening. Talk to us like we've never been, I don't know anything about this, like we've never faced charges before. You have, though, Joe.
Yes.
So what happens when someone says, you know what, I want to convict you of this particular thing? What's the next step that she could be facing?
Fantastic. And I read, like, preliminarily, the police did detain her, but released her without charging her, which is not uncommon because they need to gather their facts. I'm sure they interviewed her. I believe she may have given a statement either through her attorney or individually to investigators, because it seems that there's a logical justification defense. She had an order of protection preventing the victim from having contact with her, and she also had a concealed carry. So it looks like she was doing everything lawful on its face. Now, for a justification defense, it's very important that the shooter, in this case, did not instigate the contact. So if she was the initial aggressor, she cannot now use the justification defense. But as the subject of a order of protection, just being there together is unlawful.
So the woman who was shot was Romeca, and we do have conflicting stories on how these women ended up in the same area, Joe.